Welcome to Model Rail's Garden Expert, the third in our series of specialised programmes looking at different aspects of model making. One area of railway modelling which has seen huge growth in recent years is garden railways. Traditionally, garden railways have been the preserve of wealthy model engineers with lots of space in which to build large-scale, live steam and even ride-on railways. However, modern materials and techniques have brought the prospect of going outdoors to almost everyone, with railway modelling in 00 in the average suburban garden now perfectly feasible. There's probably no greater and inspirational garden railway than Beaconscott Model Village at Beaconsfield in Buckinghamshire, with its Gauge 1 main line and branches. Started more than 60 years ago in a private garden, the model village is now open to the public from spring till October each year and provides plenty of great ideas and inspiration for both modellers and gardeners alike. The garden railway owes its origins to the historical size of working railway models. The process of miniaturisation didn't really take off until after the Second World War, and before that, gauges 0 and 1 were the most widely used, often with live steam power. These trains require lots of space, and modellers frequently built their layouts outdoors, simply using weatherproof timber for the baseboards.